Friends, welcome to Juani's Garden. My name is Juani. Friends, I am about to show you my little SCOBY hotel. Look at this, friends. If you're not familiar with that, what this is, friends, this is the mother to making kombucha. And I do have a hotel. I have many layers after layers after layers. And so I'm about to make a batch. So I'm going to show you the process. Friends, to make a kombucha SCOBY or mother, you need 2 cups of water, which basically is like 2 bottles of water. You need 1 bottle of raw kombucha. You purchase it at the store. You need 4 black tea bags, and you need a half a cup of sugar. So the water will be hot, but not boiling hot, because you've got your kombucha here. You don't want to kill there's already a mother in this kombucha. Okay, so you mix your water, you mix your kombucha, you mix your 4 tea bags, you mix your sugar, you put it in a container, and you cover it with a kitchen towel, and you put it in a dark place for about 3 to 4 weeks. And then you're going to see, friends, that little by little a film begins to form, and then before you know it, it thickens and it thickens and it thickens. So this one here, friends, this doesn't happen overnight. I've had it for a couple of years. I started with 1, and then it started multiplying over and over and over and over. So when I do make a kombucha, I just come in here, I take one of the SCOBYs, I put it into a fresh batch of tea, and then I flavor it. So this, friends, here will make a gallon. So to make this gallon, you need your gallon of water. You will need 10 tea bags. You will need 2 cups of sugar. Okay, friends, so that is what's already in here. I've got my gallon of water, 10 tea bags, 2 cups of sugar. So now what I'm going to do to make my kombucha is I'm going to reach in here and grab one of the SCOBYs, put it in here, and then flavor it. So in here, friends, I have a bowl with vinegar water. My hands are washed very, very good with soap and water, but I do this just to make sure that there's nothing on my hand. See, rinse with vinegar water. So now I'm going to reach in here and look at this beauty, friends. Look at this absolute beauty. It's healthy. It's precious. Only us kombucha lovers would say that. Okay, friends, so there it is. So there's that SCOBY, that mother there. I'm going to rinse my hands again in the vinegar water. And I have a little towel here to dry my hands. Okay, then, friends, so this is going to be my flavored kombucha. I'm going to add 2 cups of pineapple. Okay, friends, and then, so there it is. There's my kombucha. It's 1 SCOBY, 1 gallon of tea made with tea bags and 2 cups of sugar and 2 cups of pineapple. I'm going to cover this. Now, when you do the actual SCOBYs, when you're growing your SCOBYs, friends, you don't cover it with a lid. It needs to breathe. You put a towel over it. But when you're doing your flavor, you do cover it. So I've got my cover. This is the lid to this container right here. Okay, so that is going to go into a pantry, my pantry. It's going to stay in there for 3 days. It's going to get all bubbly and effervescent. It's going to grow gas like a soda, and then it's going to be ready to drink. So this one here, friends, that I've just took one out of, I have a little bit of room left in here to refresh it. So I'll make another batch of the 4 tea bags, half cup of sugar, and 2 cups of water, and I'm going to fill this section here. I want it to be filled. And then the way that I cover this, it's in there with a kitchen towel. I have a large rubber band around it, and that's going to keep growing, friends. So I keep on refreshing that, and it keeps growing. And this is for us to enjoy. This is for us to drink. In the past, I used to save my kombucha bottles, and then I would sanitize them, and then I would fill them with my tea, and I would fill them with 2-3 pieces of pineapple, and then I would do it individual. But it's a lot of work, friends. It is a lot of work. For me, this is easier. I still get the same product. There's a lot of prebiotic content going on in there. Healthy for the tummy, and it's delicious, friends. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this segment. Thanks for visiting the channel. See you again soon.